All right. So, the kickoff here, 5 people will equally split 6.8 acres of land. How much land will each person get? So, this was based off of last time we were dividing decimals, so we're going to set this up. 6.8 is what's getting broken up, so that's what goes in the box. And then we're breaking it up by 5 people, so that's going to go outside here. So 1 5 can go into 6, and we have our 1, bring our 8 down. Remember, our decimal goes up then. And 5 goes into 18 3 times. And we're up to a 3. We don't have another number, so we can bring a 3 down. And 5 would go into 36 times. So we end up with our 0 there. So 1.36, and don't forget with word problems, we have our label, and we're looking for acres is what we're breaking it up by. So, lesson 3.9, I know it says rounding decimals. We did that the very first lesson. What this should say is estimating decimals. That is a typo. I apologize. But what we're going to be doing here is actually estimating decimals. Okay? So, when we estimate, it's going to tell you what to round it to. So we're kind of rounding decimals, but what we're doing is we're estimating them using rounding. So like in this case, it says round to the nearest whole number, then multiply them. So we're looking for the whole number here. So 5, we look at the 3, because we go to the number to the right of the number we're rounding it to. So the 5, right of it's a 3. So 3 is going to keep it a 5. The 2, to the right of it's a 4, so we're going to keep it as a 2 as well. So 5 times 2 gives us our 10. So rounding it to the nearest whole number, then multiplying. So that's what we're doing in that one. Next one here, it says estimate the quotient. Round each factor to the nearest whole number, then divide. So 10 to the right of it is a 2. So 10 will stay at 10. The 2.1 is going to stay at 2. So 10 divided by 2 is going to end up with 5. Okay. Here we got to estimate the sum, round each factor to the nearest whole number, and then add. So 10.8, 8 is going to round it up to 11. 9.6, the 6 will round this up to 10. 10.1 will keep it at 10. So 10 plus 11 would end up with 31. Last one here, again, we're going to round to the nearest whole number. Now, again, pay attention to that. It won't always be the nearest whole number. It might say round to the nearest 100, round to the nearest 1,000. So look for that. Pay attention to that in the assignment. It'll tell you exactly what to round to. So for rounding the nearest whole number here, so 10, the 6 is going to round that up to 11. 1.4 keeps it a 1, and 8.7 will make that up to a 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 11 is 21. So that's this lesson. You're going to be estimating the sum, the product, the quotient, whatever they have going on for you there. Make sure you pay attention to the directions. It will tell you what to round to. So don't round to the nearest whole number when it wants you to round to the nearest 100. It's going to give you the wrong answer, or you're going to have the wrong answer. It'll tell you it's wrong. So pay attention to that as to what it wants to round it to. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll talk to you later.